Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start with 2 square sticky notes. Make sure the adhesive edge is trimmed if it interferes. Fold each note in half lengthwise and press a sharp crease so the paper holds shape. This rigidity matters. Once done, open them and fold both short edges to meet the center crease, aligning edges exactly. This creates 2 long, narrow modules that will interlock. Make sure creases are crisp. Use a fingernail or a thin tool, because precise folds make assembly smooth and the final star clean. You now fold each prepared strip in half widthwise so you have short, double-layered modules. Fold the tapered ends into small triangular pockets. These pockets are your connectors. Insert the tapered end of module A into the pocket of module B, sliding until edges line up. You should feel a slight resistance as the paper locks. Repeat the same connection to join the remaining modules. You're forming a linked chain. Keep creases tight and adjust alignment as you go, because loose folds will make the star floppy during the final closure. You finish by weaving the last module ends through the remaining pockets, 1 point at a time, then press each joint firmly so the creases lock the structure. Rotate the star evenly as you work to ensure all points are symmetric and the central hole sits flat. Symmetry makes the star visually sharp. If the star is loose, recrease the seams with pressure and slightly overlap the ends to increase friction, or add a tiny square of adhesive where 2 layers meet to secure the final lock without changing shape.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.